Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, click the bell, and click all to get all notifications. If you have any tech questions, please click the Discord link. Hello, today I'm going to show a new tutorial on how to install WSL, which is the Windows Subsystem for Linux number 2. So this is the second version on Windows 10. This is an article by Joey. This is really good. For some reason, the Windows Microsoft sites didn't have this exact stuff. Hopefully in the future they have a very concise guide similar to this one. Some prerequisites before you begin. You need to make sure you have Windows 10 with basically most of the updates ready. You can see from this screenshot that here I have version OS build 19042, and you can get to this page by going to here and going to this PC. So you can type in my computer or this PC here and go to properties and you'll get this menu. And the other thing you're going to need is Windows 10 Pro, and that says here that you need a computer with Hyper-V support, and basically Windows 10 Pro will give you that support. Then it'll start showing you all these commands, and I basically put these all in a notepad and just take notes on this stuff. So the first two commands we want to run are these in a PowerShell command. So you want to do start and do PowerShell. Go to this ISE, right click, run as administrator. Click yes. And then this window will come up. If you don't have a script window here, you can click this button here and it'll create a new one. So let's paste these commands in here, and then I'm going to run these. So I select all of these and then hit play. And chances are this will take a little bit longer on your machine if this is the first time it's running. I already did this. The next thing you want to do is make sure you reboot. This is a critical step. I'm going to skip that here since I'm recording the video, and I've already done this. But you need to restart at this point, and I have that in my notes right here. Reboot the computer. So the next command you want to install or run is this. So you come here. Let's put this here. And run this. Oh, I pasted it here too. Okay. Now, sometimes you'll get a warning here, and it'll talk about this site. You'll need to go to this website, aka MS WS2 kernel. If you get a warning about a kernel message, you want to go to that site. Whoops. Let's copy paste this right. And then you want to click this link and download it and install it. And then you want to come back to the PowerShell terminal and then run this again and make sure yours looks like this. So there's no warning about the kernel update anymore. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to the Microsoft Store, and you can go directly to this link, or you can just search for Ubuntu 2004 LTS, and it should bring up this site similar to this. I'm going to go to Get, open up Microsoft Store. And we're going to install this. And you should be able to close out of this and it should install without needing you to log into the Microsoft Store there. And hopefully they keep that like that, where you shouldn't have to log in. Give this a couple minutes to download and install. You can click this Pin to Start menu. And then when we go to the Start menu, you should see Ubuntu 2004 LTS. Now, this is the first time this runs. It takes a little bit to set up everything, but hopefully this runs correctly this time. Let's close out some of this stuff. The last thing it's going to start to do is ask you for a username and then a password. Don't forget this password, because if you do, you won't be able to update the software. So basically this is and it's going to be a sudo password too. Oh, there we go. So Okay, so now we have an Ubuntu Linux running. Let's see if we can. You can just load another terminal now, and now it's instant. You can log into root just like that. So make sure you don't forget your password. And now we can run updates. And now you'll have a fully up-to-date Ubuntu 2004 Linux distribution running on Windows 10 Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.